Okay, check out this heat sealer and cutter setup I got going on. First, we've got the poly bags down here on a dowel. We have run them through this little piece of wood here so it stays nice and tight. And then you can make your custom bag whatever size you want. Cool thing is you press it down, you'll see the light turns off. Once it turns on, then off, now we're heat sealed. And while you're down, you can go ahead and cut it like that. And you will see that we have been cut. Now, what you need to pay attention to when you do this, and this is for the setup, is that it is going to heat seal on the left side, and then you cut it on the right side. So for our packaging, it heat sealed right here, and then we put a header card right here and staple this on. So the next bag is already heat sealed. So we pull it out, push down, cut, put the product in, the bottom's heat sealed, header card goes on, and now you staple it. This adjusts the power of the sealer based on how thick your packaging is. The thicker mill packaging you have, the longer you want it to heat seal. We primarily use 2 or 3 mil, and it just takes a fraction of a second to seal it. We don't even have to wait for the light to shut off, and it's super quick. If you look deep inside, you will see a spring. That spring is that right there. And I really like that there's a spring to make the seal happen. So you're not gonna accidentally push it all the way down. The other thing there is it's versatile for your application. If you wanna leave it right here, you can, and then seal, or if you wanna flip all the way up, it'll stay up for you and you have more room to work. And then it'll just bounce down to that spring and you're good to go. But you'll see how quick, yeah, that did a complete seal. Check that out. Completely sealed it. Now the cutter in here is very sharp and you can replace the blades. You can also replace the heat strip. This is a wire in there if it ever burns up. Literally have used this one thousands and thousands of times with no problems at all. It's been working great the entire time. I had a different one before that ran out on me, and so I wanted to see if this one would last longer than that first one did before I made a little review on it, and it's been great. So I'd get it again if we ever need a second one for different sized bags, so we don't have to switch out the bags underneath. We do that rarely, so I haven't got a second one, but if I get a second one, I'm getting this one again.